First question is find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. First question is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Then here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5. Then we find determinant d equal to b square minus 4ac. Then d equal to minus 3 square minus 4 into a here is 2 into 5. Then d equal to 9 minus 14 13 equal to minus 4. d is less than 0, so roots doesn't exist. Second question is 3x square minus 4 under root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Here d equal to b square minus 4ac. d equal to b square minus 4 root 3 to the whole square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is 4. So d equal to minus 4 root 3 to the whole square equal to 48 minus 48. d equal to 0, so roots 2 real and equal roots exist. So roots are minus b plus minus under root d divided by 2a. So minus b, that is b equal to minus 4 root 3 and minus b equal to 4 root 3 plus minus 0 divided by 2a. Here a is 3, 2 into 3, then 4 root 3 divided by 6 and 2 3 2 root 3 divided by 3. Then we write as 2 root 3 divided by 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. So 2 into 3 divided by root 3 equal to 2 divided by root 3, and both roots are equal, so both roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Answer. Third question is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 6 and c equal to 3. So d determinant d equal to b square minus 4ac equal to d equal to b square minus 6 square minus 4 into a into c equal to d equal to 36 minus 24 equal to 12. d equal to 36 minus 24, 36 minus 24 equal to 12. Then let's see, and d is greater than 0, so 2 real and unequal roots possible. So uh, roots are minus b plus minus under root d divided by 2a, and minus b 6 plus minus under root 12 divided by 4. Then 6 plus minus 2 root 3 divided by 4. One is 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 4, or 6 minus 2 root 3 divided by 4, or 2 plus root 3 divided by 2, or 3 plus root 3 divided by 2, or 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. Answer. Second question is find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. First question is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. For conditions for two equal roots is d equal to, that is determinant equal to, should be 0. For two equal roots, d equal to 0, then d equal to b square minus 4ac, that is b square k square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Then d equal to 0, then k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 equal to 0, k square minus 24 equal to 0, k square equal to 24, k equal to plus minus under root 24 is the answer. Second question is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Then kx square, kx into x, kx square into kx into minus 2, minus 2kx, minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Here a equal to k, b equal to minus 2k, and c equal to 6. For two equal roots, determinant d is 0, so b square minus 4ac equal to 0, and b square minus 2k to the square minus 4 into a into c equal to 0. Then 4k square minus 24k equal to 0, and 4k into 4k into k minus 6 equal to 0. k minus 6 k minus 6 equal to 0 and k equal to 6 answer. Third question is it possible to design a rectangular mango group whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. So solution is uh, length is twice its breadth, then let the breadth of rectangular mango group is x meter, then length is 2x and area is length into breadth, that is 2x into x, and by questions area is equal to 800 meter square, that is 2x into x equal to 800 meter square, and 2x square equal to 800 meter square, and x square equal to 400 meter square, x equal to under root 400 equal to 20 meter. So breadth equal to x equal to 20 meter and length equal to 2x equal to 40 meter. Answer. Next question is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Then we know that perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B, and 2 into L plus B equal to 80 meter given, and 2 into L plus B equal to 80 and L plus B equal to 80 divided by 2, and L plus B equal to 40, equation 1, and area equal to 400 meter square given, and formula for calculating area is L into B equal to 400, and we can use formula L minus B to the whole square equal to L plus B to the whole square minus 4 LB, and L minus B to the whole square equal to L plus B to the whole square, that is L plus B equal to 40 square minus 4 into LB equal to 400. So L minus B whole square equal to 60 1600 minus 1600 L minus B to the whole square equal to 0, and L minus B equal to 0. So equation 2, and by from equation 1 and 2, L plus B equal to 40, L minus B equal to 0. So 2L equal to 40, L equal to 20, and B equal to also 20. So here length and breadth both are equal. So length and breadth are equal, then it is possible to design a square arc of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square, not rectangular arc.